So one thing you guys got to keep in mind when I'm doing this top hinging part, I'm actually wanting to have the 2x4s, the end 2x4s, go all the way to the ends. Okay, so this 10-foot long 2x4 I am going to have to cut off, and the reason I'm doing that is because when I put the hinges on the back here to have this hinge, all the pressure is going to be on that 2x4, and so there's no weak spot. So just something to keep in mind. Okay, there's two. Okay, so once you get all your corners, your board tied together, what we're going to do is put the hinges in next. Okay, I'm going to put the hinges on now. Okay, we got the hinges on. Now I'm going to put a little handle on the front here. Let's see if this thing hinges. There we go. Perfect. Okay, next you want to get these 1/2-inch caps and pre-drill a hole in them. And then what I'm going to use to screw those down is just a drywall screw, 1.25 inches. And so I laid these out. You're going to want it back a little ways from that edge, and obviously from that edge. And I'm just going to screw these down. So now I'm going to start putting the hoops on. How I make these, they're just 70 inches long out of PVC. The main thing on the ends, before you get your ends on, you're going to put these T's on. You need 3 of the T's. It's 3/4 inch here to a 1/2 inch. And what these are going to do, of course, is for the straight PVCs coming across. Okay, now that I got the hoops on, guys, now I got to put in the cross braces. Let me show you how I do those. So these things are pretty slick. Oh. It just ratchets. I can do it with one hand. Look at this. Like that. Now before I connect these, I want to cut the rest of them, so that way I don't it's easier for me to put them on. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. Okay, got these cut, and so now all I'm gonna do, here, put you guys right there. push them on. That's it. Do the sides first. Get the top on. Okay. Then I'm going to slide the sides up. Just going to find a spot that looks good. And I'm going to screw the sides in too. Okay. Storm's starting to come in, guys. Anyways. So, with these center pieces, all I'm going to do, kind of eyeball it and put some electrical tape. Okay guys, I'm down to the last. Gotta get the plastic on. So how I'm gonna do these ends is I twist them up, twist them real tight, and then I just screw down the piece of wood, just like that. Hey guys, I just got it done and the storm is here. It's another good reason to have a GoPro camera. I can submerge this thing in water. So anyways, but yeah, here's my hinging raised bed hoop house. Busted it out. There's a few things I want to get for this. When you raise it up, it locks this in place. I'd like to get one of those for it. And that way, you know, it's just not going to come down on you. You don't have to use a stick. But I do want to put that in the corners. On the top, I might do some sort of vent. Heck, it's snowing. Anyways, that's what it looks like shut. Here's the back side of it. I mean, it's not perfect, but it'll work. Man, I gotta get my tools cleaned up completely. But well, that's a wrap for today, guys. Thanks for watching.